Hello lovers, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel today. Welcome back to my kitchen. So guys, hope you're all doing well. So guys, today without wasting much of your time, I'll be teaching you just the simplest way to make bread in the comfort of your home. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So that is the flour we are using. 1 cup of flour. That is our 1 cup of sugar. Then we are using evaporated milk, margarine. I'm using King's. I'm making use of nutmeg. I'm making use of yeast, 3 tablespoons of yeast. So guys, sit back and enjoy this video. So we have to leave it for about 35 to 40 minutes for it to rise again before we bake. But before then, I'm going to do what we call egg wash. That's what I'm doing, so that after baking it will look so smooth and lovely. So that's what I'm doing. After that, we allow it for about 35 to 40 minutes before baking. Guys, as you can see, our bread is ready. Oh, so delicious. I wish you tested it with me. Guys, I believe you can now make a delicious bread for your family. Yeah guys, it's so simple to make, very easy and simple. I made it easy. So after watching this video, make sure you try it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. I love you. Bye.